the heat of anger, where emotions rise, cooling the temper beneath the skies. Surah of peace, with words so clear, guiding us through moments of fear. Oh, Surah to calm with soothing grace. In your verses, anger we replace. A gentle breeze for the raging heart. In your wisdom we find a fresh start. When tempers flare and words ignite, Surah flows in like a calming light. Patience and mercy in every line. In your wisdom we find a fresh start. Oh, Surah to calm with soothing grace. In your verses, anger we replace. A gentle breeze for the raging heart. In your wisdom we find a fresh start. When tempers flare and words ignite, Surah flows in like a calming light. Patience and mercy in every line. In your guidance, serenity we find. Oh, Surah to calm with soothing grace. In your verses, anger we replace. A gentle breeze for the raging heart. In your wisdom we find a fresh start. In moments of conflict you show the way, teaching us to listen and not to stray. With humility and peace as our guide, in your teachings anger subsides. Like a cool stream in the desert's heat, Surah to calm, a soothing retreat. Forgiveness and understanding you bring. In your verses, harmony sings. Oh, Surah to calm with soothing grace. In your verses, anger we replace. A gentle breeze for the raging heart. In your wisdom we find a fresh start. Surah of tranquility, Surah of peace. In your words all conflict cease, cooling the temper, soothing the soul.